Hi guys, and today we're going to take a look at the best drone in 2022. There are a lot of drones on the market today. Some of them are great, some of them are horrible. I know what are you thinking, but before you judge, allow me to show you what I have found. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get right to it. And at number 5, the best drone is DJI Mavic 3 Quadcopter Drone. This drone is equipped with a 4 or 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The sensor provides a 12.8 stop dynamic range that retains more details in highlights and shadows, upgrading your work to a professional level. Stay in the air longer and capture more with a breathtaking max flight time of 46 minutes. This lets you get all the shots you want on just a single battery. DJI Mavic 3 drone with camera is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This lets you fly confidently and safely wherever you are. The DJI Mavic 3 drone offers a 15-kilometer max transmission range, which means you can fly farther to explore and capture more. And with the O3 Plus transmission system, live feeds are smooth and stable. With a new advanced RTH system, Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether activated by a low battery or the pilot, getting the quadcopter drone back to you during flight is easier than ever. And at number 4, the best drone is DJI Mavic 2 Pro Quadcopter Drone. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is an iconic modern design due to it being the very first drone for consumers with a sensor of 1 inch and an adjustable aperture. With numerous flight modes, advanced security features, and the ability to record professional quality stills and videos, it's ideal for pilots with any level of experience. The drone comes with a Hasselblad L1D20C camera equipped with a 20-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. The Mavic 2 camera drone lets you take stunning aerial photos in breathtaking color detail. This drone has up to 31 minutes of flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 907 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, SD card support up to 128 GB. In this drone, many functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. The DJI Smart Controller comes with an ultra-bright 5.5-inch 1080-pixel display that maintains clear visibility and vivid color even in direct sunlight. In this drone package, you will get a smart controller, intelligent flight battery, gimbal protector, remote controller, 3x propellers, battery charger, power cable, communication cable USB 3.0 Type-C, USB adapter, spare control sticks with pair, RC Lightning connector cable, RC standard micro USB connector cable, and RC USB Type-C connector cable. And at number 3, the best drone is DJI Air 2S Quadcopter Drone. This drone is equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 pixels. DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K, 30 fps, and 4K, 60 fps video. Capture the allure of the world, even as it darkens. Thanks to a high dynamic range, high resolution, and accurate color reproduction, even low light scenes are sharp and vibrant. The next evolution of quick shots, Master Shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. Max service ceiling above sea level 5,000 meters. The 10-bit D-Log M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. The combination of APS 4.0, 4-directional obstacle sensing, and 7.5 miles 1080 pixel 03 image transmission system offers you a safer, smarter, and smoother flying experience. The Air 2S can stay aloft for up to 31 minutes. Typically, a few less than that in practice, which is essentially the same as the Mavic Air 2 and the Mavic Pro 2. It remains to be seen if the next generation of DJI drones can break this half-hour threshold. And at number 2, the best drone is DJI Mini 2 Ultralight and Foldable Drone Quadcopter. The drone weighs less than 249 grams and can be carried in your palm. This small drone, which is lightweight and portable, it will transform the way you capture your most treasured memories. It features a 3-axis gimbal with a 4K 12-megapixel camera up in the sky, which will deliver content that is sure to impress. Mini 2 features 4K, 30 FPS videos, a motorized gimbal, and a 3-axis motorized camera. This ensures amazing image quality no matter how daring you are. The DJI Mini 2 supports OCU Sync 2.0 video transmission and up to 10km HD video transmission, and has excellent anti-interference capabilities. This allows you to fly further and see clearly. The drone's maximum battery life is 31 minutes. This gives you plenty of time to capture the perfect shot. Mini 2 can withstand level 5 winds and can take off at a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. This ensures that your footage will be stable, even when you fly along windy coastlines or high above alpine forests. You don't have to be so close to capturing your dream shot. The 4x digital zoom makes it easier and safer to switch between shots with different distances and compositions. DJI Mini 2 records professional quality videos in just a few clicks. The DJI Fly app is perfect for beginners and more advanced flyers. It includes soundtracks, filters, and other useful features. The DJI Fly app requires iOS 10.0, Android 6.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, and other Android devices. And at number 1, the best drone is DJI Mavic Air 2 Quadcopter Drone. Mavic Air 2 camera drone is a combination of power and portability. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone features a powerful camera and intelligent shooting modes that produce amazing results. You can take your imagination to the next level with aerial photography. This drone can capture stunning 48-megapixel photos with a 1 or 2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal delivers 4K, 60 FPS videos. High-performance quad-bare images sensors are the secret to HDR video that is stunning. OCU Sync 2.0 is capable of transmitting video over a distance of up 10 kilometers. It can also stream live 1080 pixel Full HD resolution from the drone's camera. DJI claims that the Mavic Air 2 has a flight time of a maximum of 34 minutes. This is significantly more than the 21-minute expected life expectancy for the original Air model. Although this figure is based on optimal flight conditions, it can be inflated. DJI estimates that 33 minutes is the most common time to fly a typical flight. Mavic Air 2, with its intuitive shooting functions, makes aerial photography much easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 helps you keep the camera focused on one subject while you fly. Active Track 3.0 keeps subjects in the center. POI 3.0 tracks moving objects like vehicles and people. The DJI Fly app requires iOS 10.0, Android 6.0, or above. Compatible devices include iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, 11, XS Max, XS, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, and other Android devices. In this drone package, you will get Mavic Air 2, a remote controller, intelligent flight battery, 3x low noise propellers, RC cables which is USB Type-C, Lightning, standard micro USB, control stick, gimbal protector, battery charger, manuals, AC power cable, Type-C cable, I hope you enjoy this video. I request you please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.